As you guys can see, we got the door here. It's just covered with some badass logos: Menser, DCF, RJS, American Speed Shop, Brad's Performance Fabrication, TKM, Dieter's Custom Finishing, Black Belt Performance, Jacobson Welding and Powder Coating, Cam Motion, White. I mean, there's just a bunch of awesome companies. T&D, we got Dart on here. There's a bunch of stuff. Dart sent us a big banner over there. We got a BPF banner right there, and then our DCF stuff and T&D. I mean, it is absolutely awesome to see these companies get on board. But enough of me talking. Let's see what we got today before we go and check out Jason's turbo kit. Let's get started here. I already opened up some of this stuff because I'm so impatient, but I got something from Australia. All the way, Ben, can you believe that? All the way from Australia?
A long way.
That is a long way. Shout out to our Aussies over there. All right, we got a letter. I'm a terrible reader. And we got a sticker, so let's check out the sticker. It says, "Because race car" on the stickers. We got one for each door. We got 2 doors going on. This is a long letter, so we'll see. Hey, John and crew, love the channel. I've been watching every day for a few years now. That is awesome. I can't believe that I have been doing this for so long because I literally feel like I just started doing it yesterday. I've also got an iron 5.3 and 6 liter butt in Australia. It costs about 10 times more. Talk about dedication. You got to be dedicated to pay 10 times more for a damn 5.3 than you do over here. Sent you some stickers for the workshop door. Just got started on my own channel after being inspired by you guys in the U.S. That means a lot. Thank you. Let's see. He talks about G-Body West. He's too slow to really talk about, isn't it? Don't you agree, Ben? At the moment? At the moment, he's pretty slow. Let's see. I'm just going to skip along here. Hope to meet you guys over there one day. I make the trip over, or if we go to Perth, Western Australia, take it easy. Rendo, I believe his name. Hashtag because race car. Thank you for the stickers. I'll slap those on the door a little bit later. On to the next one. This is...